Hello, my name is Skylar Hauser. My pronouns are he, him, his. And today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite groups of animals, which are scorpions. So I have a little resin cast display specimen here. So I kind of just wanted to talk about some things that I think make scorpions just such an interesting group of animals, and also some of the ways that they're kind of misunderstood. So one thing I really like to point out to people that not many folks realize is that scorpions are actually arachnids. So they're in the same group of animals as like ticks, spiders, mites, daddy long legs, those sorts of animals. And this is something that we don't always realize, in particular because, they got these big grabbing claws at the front of their body, and then they also have this stinging sort of tail-like structure. But there are some characteristics about them that make them pretty easy to identify as arachnids. So first off, one of the key traits of any arachnid is they will have 8 legs. So we can kind of see here that the scorpion has 4 legs on each side. Very classically arachnid. And then actually these structures up here in the front, these clawed appendages, so these are a structure in arachnids known as the pedipalps. So in spiders, they kind of just like look like shorter little legs that are kind of near the mouth that they'll use to grab things, manipulate prey, and all those sorts of things. So in scorpions, they basically went a little extreme on the evolutionary route and ended up evolving a set of opposable and grabbing claws. So they use these to manipulate their environment in various ways, to immobilize prey items, to put items into their mouth, things like that. And then the next thing I wanted to kind of point out is this tail-like structure that is just so iconic for scorpions. So this whole structure right here is called the metasoma. So it's basically part of the thoracic and abdominal region of an arachnid. And so actually inside of here are part of the scorpion's digestive tract. And their anus actually is right here on that little segment before you hit the stinger, which is also called the telson. So yeah, I just think these guys are really cool, fun animals. They're super great. They're really not as scary as you might think once you kind of get to know them a little bit. And yeah, that's one of my favorite groups of animals. Thanks for listening.